see. I gotta find the little remote thing.
Hang there by the thing.
I'm scared.
Yes, I am too.
You gotta take all this apart. I had to take that blower thing all apart and weld it all cracked. This is all frozen. It wouldn't rotate when we got it.
Bro, get out of my shot, Jesus.
It's been a while.
Ooh.
Oh,
Where's the
no.
breaker?
No, it's not
Oof.
plugged in, not to that. It's gotta be plugged into this. And then control it.
Warn us when it goes off.
I can.
Yeah, Air, I'm gonna stand outside and then just tell me when it's gonna go off, and then I'll come in while it's going. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right.
I'm saying.
Gotta go, I gotta go.
Just give us a holler when it's about to go. Dude, it's gonna be insane. Yeah, I'm scared. Full blast. Yeah. Rotating. Yes. Stand back. Oh. I felt it all throughout my body. The sound waves, you can feel the waves like that.
Yeah.
Makes your legs shake.
Yeah. Whoa. That was hooked up. You can, we don't have that one.
Oh, okay.
I like that bell. 1 o'clock.
Does he?
Button and an off button.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Hold on, no, not yet. Hold on, I gotta get my phone.
I'm recording. Alright, not yet. Here, I'll get a phone video too, because this is cool. Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay, chopper only. Don't do the blower yet. Alright, chopper only of the bolt. Ready? Hold on. Let me do another phone video. I'm gonna have some fun with this too. Yeah. Blower and chopper test. Alright, go! Testing tornado sirens. Wait, am I recording?
Testing.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hold on, Franklin
County siren testing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh God, I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, bro, I touched it. Oh my god.
I think it's
The fight